Rodi Ang, Chairperson of Cocolite Multipurpose Cooperative. It is located at Purok Makugihon, Barangay Kingking, Bantukan, Davao de Oro. Our cooperative was established since 2006 in the purpose of to produce good quality coconut products. This co-op started when the time that the price of copra of coconut is very low. Many farmers cut their trees because of low price of coconut. This was initiated by the Chamber of Commerce of Bantukan, headed by my wife Irene Ang. Our cooperative, it is composed of 273 members, all coconut farmers owning 3 to 4 hectares. Our cooperative was an accredited learning site of ITI, Agricultural Training Institute. Our mission is to produce good quality products that can help the health of the people of Bantuqueños. Our products are virgin coconut oil, coconut vinegar, coconut water, and coconut milk. The function of virgin coconut oil is to enhance the immune system of our body. And the second is coconut vinegar, very useful in our kitchen. And our vinegar is very much natural and not a synthetic one. The third is coconut water is used to hydrate our body. It is rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Coconut milk are used in the kitchen. Ang best seller namong product is virgin coconut oil. So, as of now, we are conducting a trade fair in Abrisa. We undergone good manufacturing practices seminar, and our people are trained. Before they will go to work, they are aware of their attire. We both buy and we own our coconut farm, and also we buy from our members. In harvesting, we schedule it in every 2 months so that the maturity of the coconut is well maintained. From the farm, it was delivered here in the factory, and after that, we select the good one, the good quality, and the other low quality coconut will go to copra. From there, the good quality must undergo a deshelling. We shave it, and after shaving, we gather the coconut water for vinegar and for coconut water. And after that, it goes to grinding and extraction of coconut milk. And after that, the coconut milk will produce virgin coconut oil. Our equipment was given by Philippine Coconut Authority, from deshelling, paring, and after that, grinding, extraction of milk, and it will go to centrifuge. And after the centrifuge, oil and water and coconut milk is produced. Aside from coconut, nag-intercropping po mi og kakao. Sa kakao manggod makita nimo diri sa among area, another income man ni maka-provide ni another income cash crop kay madali man ni siya ma-harvest. Samantala ang coconut mag-wait pa ka og 3 months bisa ka maka-harvest, pero ang kakao pag sugod og bunga na magsige na kag-harvest. Mo ni among kakao, tapos kini siya ginabalot namo, battery size pa baluton na namo para dili konsiksik to. Yan pare ani karon kini pambalot na ni, kung ani kada kong size pabalot na ni siya. Tapos after 90 days ma-harvest na ni. Harvest na ni siya. After having the good quality product, it is packaged in the packaging room. It is bottled like this. We deliver our product to different places like Manila, Cebu, Davao. We export coconut oil to China and the rest here in local market. The agencies that help our cooperative, number one is PHISER, Philippine Coconut Authority, because we are in coconut business, DTI for marketing, ATI for training, and DOST for some technologies. To our farmer member, we encourage you to go on value adding, because copra alone, you cannot rely the prices, it is up and down. If you sell your coconut to our cooperative, we maintain the price of 12 pesos per piece of coconut, while the traders buying 8 pesos. Usually we gap 3 to 4 pesos against the local traders. Soon we are planning to give trainings to interested. They can benchmark our factory, our manufacturing. Learning set of ATI. We are planning to have training here. We can train them how to make virgin coconut oil. Like this one, what we do. To the coconut farmers outside Pantukan, we encourage you to form a cooperative. And just some government agencies will help you to guide you to training, provide you equipment so that you can produce product aside from copra, because value adding is best practices in coconut industry. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, lalo na sa mga dito sa ATI. Nandito kami ngayon upang magbigay ng isang uri ng pag-discuss sa aming enterprise. Ngayon, umpisa na natin. It's about cooperative, multipurpose cooperative, a community-driven brand dedicated to producing premium virgin coconut oil and other coconut byproducts. A registered cooperative with the CDA engaged in manufacturing of business coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, coconut vinegar, coconut water, and coconut cream. This was established on February 8, 2006. It's about CocoLife Multipurpose Cooperative. Our mission is to empower local farmers, promote sustainable practices, and deliver natural wellness to every home. CocoLife Virgin Coconut Oil, pure, natural, and sustainable. What is virgin coconut oil? A virgin coconut oil is extracted from a fresh coconut using a cold press method, centrifuge process. It retains all the natural nutrients, antioxidants, and aroma of real coconut. Why choose CocoLife BCO? Because it is 100% pure cold press, a community-based production supporting local farmers, eco-friendly and sustainable packaging, no additives, no preservatives, healthy and nutritious. Health benefits of CocoLife BCO. It boosts our immunity and support heart health. It promotes healthy skin and hair, aids digestion and weight management, natural antibacterial, antiviral properties, and antiprotozoal. Multipurpose uses of CocoLife BCO. It's used for cooking and baking, skin moisturizer and hair treatment, natural makeup remover, and dietary supplement and oil pulling. Eco-friendly promise. Coco Life believes in giving back to nature, zero waste production process, and sustainable coconut farming practices. Let's go to the coconut vinegar. It's a natural refreshing twist on wellness. The story behind our product, inspired by tropical traditions, coconut water vinegar is crafted from pure coconut water and naturally fermented to capture the essence of island wellness. The power of coconut water, it is rich in electrolytes, vitamins, and minerals. Coconut water is nature's hydrating gift. It refreshes and nourishes the inside and out. Fermented to goodness. Through gentle fermentation, coconut water transforms into a probiotic vinegar that supports gut health, detoxification, and vitality. Our products promise it is 100% natural ingredients, no added preservatives, sustainably resource crafted with care. And this is the key benefits of the Coco Life fermented coconut water vinegar. It supports gut health and metabolism. It promotes radiant skin and natural energy. Low-calorie, guilt-free wellness drink. How to enjoy it? Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with water for a freezing drink. Add to salads, marinades, and detox shots. Enjoy daily for best results. Our commitment, we believe wellness begins with our nature. Our mission is to empower women to embrace a balanced natural lifestyle while caring for our planet. There's a market potential and lifestyle appeal. Coconut-based functional drinks are trending worldwide. Consumers, especially women, are embracing natural plant-based wellness solutions. Try it today. Experience the refreshing healthy difference of coconut water vinegar. Here is a process flow. I will discuss the method how we arrive the pure virgin coconut oil and also a vinegar, coconut vinegar. First, when the coconut arrived in our plant, we dehusk it, and from dehusked coconut, we grind the coconut meat, extraction of coconut milk, separation of coconut cream and milk, centrifuge, separation of oil, virgin coconut oil, and in coconut water drink production, there is a pasteurization, a chilling, boiling, and bottled into coconut water. And in coconut vinegar production, we extracted and redid fermentation, pasteurization, cooling, boiling, and into coconut vinegar, bottled coconut vinegar. Hindi na kung mabasa kayo. How to buy? Available in selected stores and supermarket and pharmacy. Follow us in Facebook, CLMP Co-op. Our email ad is clmp.coop@gmail.com, and my contact number is 0917-721-4835. Thank you. Live pure, live Coco Life. Experience the goodness of nature in every drop. Long life with Coco Life.